What is the next number after 10? 11, right? Wrong. For some smartphone manufacturers, the next number after 10 is 20, not 11. We saw this with the Honor 10 successor launching as the Honor 20 instead of the Honor 11, and the Huawei P10 successor launching as the Huawei P20. And now Samsung also joining the bandwagon too with its upcoming Galaxy S series flagship phone. Next year, Samsung is expected to announce the Galaxy S11 as the successor to this year's Galaxy S10 series, but yesterday Ice Universe has tweeted out this. Now, this doesn't confirm that he was talking about the S11 or the original S20 that was expected to come after 10 years, but Ice Universe has now tweeted out this saying that next year is 2020 and 20 is a new beginning. I think S11 was the absolute correct name for the next year's S flagship phone. I mean, we have been hearing and talking about the S11 family for half a year now, and suddenly get this news that it's not going to be called as S11 but S20. So do let me know what you think of S20. Do you like the name S11 or S20? Also, Ice Universe, who is a great Sammy Leakster, has been promoting Neon for quite a while now, but we don't know what is Neon, and we didn't get this guy why he's promoting Neon. But now the Samsung Technology and Advanced Research Labs teased a product called Neon. They've suggested that they will be revealing the details on this mysterious product at CES 2020. Right now, Neon exists on the internet on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and has a domain of its own at neon.live. Originally registered on October 9, 2019, the website suggests that it will be coming January 2020, which aligns with the social networking messaging which says they'll appear at CES 2020. But the question still remains clear, what is Neon? So Samsung has teased that Neon will be a human level AI, but it may heavily depend upon access to a working 5G network. The aim of developing the AI is to offer human beings a unique experience with their electronic assistant. If it's anywhere near as good as the team claims, then Alexa and Siri should probably be worried about Neon. Neon's site doesn't disclose anything, but we're definitely looking forward to how it turns out. So for now, do let me know what are your thoughts about Neon. Will it be available with the Galaxy S20? We don't know, but we definitely get our answers. So why not subscribe to the channel to know more about Neon? And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.